Identifying India's strength in its demography, democracy and demand, Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Tuesday stressed the need for digital-based governance to bring efficiency in the country's decision-making process and to boost the economy. Inaugurating the 8th edition of the vibrant Gujarat Global Summit here in Gandhinagar, he called democracy India's biggest strength.
India's strength lies in 3 Ds: demography, democracy, and demand. Our biggest strength is the depth of our democracy. Some people say that democracy cannot deliver effective and fast-track governance. But we have seen in the last 2.5 years that it is possible to deliver quick results in a democratic setup as well.
Modi said that the digital economy had played key role in transforming hardship-based governance to system-based governance, discretionary-based administration to policy-based administration, and informal economy to formal economy.
To bring a paradigm shift in the ways of our polity and economy, we have taken a series of decisions and steps in this direction. To give you some examples, we are bringing a shift from relation-based governance to system-based governance, from discretionary administration to policy-based administration, from random interference to technological intervention, from favoritism to level playing field, from informal economy to formal economy. In doing this, digital technology has played a key role. I often said that e-governance is easy and effective governance. I also emphasized the need for policy-driven governance. Online processes help bring speed and openness in decision-making. Toward this end, we are working to adopt and absorb newer technologies to bring about transparency and the end discretion.
He, however, did not make any mention of demonetization in his half-hour speech. Modi said that India has registered excellent growth despite the global slowdown.